Hi, my name is Kathy Albertson. I'm an acupuncturist and herbalist in Irvine, California, and today I would like to talk to you about Chinese herbs. I get a lot of questions from my patients and from people across the country asking me if herbs are safe, how they work, do they interact with Western drugs, and how can they be used effectively. I'd like to give you 3 reasons today as to why and how you should consider using Chinese herbs. Number 1, Chinese herbs don't mask the symptoms. Western drugs have a tendency to mask your symptoms, and you need to take the medications over a long period of time. Once you stop taking Western medications, your symptoms return. Chinese herbal medicine is a little different. We want to restore the root and restore you to more natural health, and in the long term get you off the medications. Many medications are prescribed because you're seeing a lot of specialists. If you have sinus problems, you're seeing an ear, nose, throat Western doctor, and if you have headaches from the sinus problems, potentially you could be seeing another doctor who would manage your headaches, or a neurologist who would handle your pain concerns. In Chinese medicine, we're treating you holistically and trying to alleviate the symptoms and treating the root so that you don't have to stay on medications in the long term. Number 2, Chinese medicine is safe. It's plant-based, and unlike Western drugs, which have copyrights or patents, if you will, the pharmaceutical industry is driven by profits and economic gain. What in fact would happen if Chinese herbs did work? They were a lot more reasonable, cheaper than Western pharmaceuticals, and people got well, and they didn't need as much medication. Hey, that would be a great thing. So yes, Chinese herbs are safe, used in the right hands, and one thing that we do is make a unique, specific formula for your particular body condition. One of the side effects of herbs could be stomach problems or diarrhea. That is managed by making sure that you have the proper formula and that your dosage is right for you. If I'm treating a person who has stomach problems like Crohn's or IBS, I want to make sure that I'm using supportive herbs to treat those conditions, and we want to alleviate the Crohn's or the IBS and not make their situation worse. So in the hands of an experienced practitioner, you don't need to worry that the herbs are safe. They are plant-based, and the side effects are much less over the long term than with Western drugs. A little diarrhea or a little stomach queasiness can be amended fairly quickly and does not harm your health. Western medications have a lot of collateral damage to your liver, to your kidneys, and over the long term we're seeing a lot of cognitive impairment, increase in Alzheimer's, and one of the reasons I submit to you is that because so many people are on Western medications. In my practice, I would ask a patient perhaps, do you have sinus issues? And they would say, no, I'm on Claritin, I've been on Claritin for years. So we have, I guess, just adjusted to the fact that these medications are good for us in the long term, and we have stopped questioning the true effect it has on and toll it has on our health. Number 3, Chinese herbs are holistic, and I mentioned that we treat the root cause, that they are safe, and that we don't mask symptoms. More importantly, this unique, specific formula for you is going to treat a majority of your symptoms and your ailments. When you see a Western specialist, like the ear, nose, and throat doctor, or the gynecologist, or the pain management doctor, you have a potential for drug interaction because each one will prescribe the best pharmaceuticals to treat the ailments in their discipline. Chinese herbal medicine is holistic. We're treating all of you. And if you come in with multiple symptoms, we're defining a pattern of disease so that all of those symptoms can be treated in one formula. So acupuncture is one form of alternative medicine that can be used for treatment, but I think we underestimate the importance in the power of Chinese herbs. They can be very subtle, but very, very effective. Many times I'm asked, how does this work? If you go to my website, www.Orange County Acupuncture, you'll see a page called Herbal Consultations. It will describe how the program works. Basically, I would provide you with medical intake paperwork, which would give me information on your history, your signs and symptoms, your current medications, and your health and nutritional goals. In Chinese medicine, that's very important. You want to know what your nutrition is like and what your diet's like, because it can have a serious effect on your health. We need to work with all of it. Once I receive that paperwork, we schedule an herbal consultation, either by phone or by Skype. and we discuss your medical concerns, your issues, your nutritional goals, and from that I will make a specific unique herbal formula for you that will address what I call your pattern of disease. Right now I'm offering a 3-month follow-up, free consultations based on the formula in case it needs to be modified, or we are making a lot of progress and we want to proceed with other health and nutritional goals. Please look at my website, www.orangecountyacupuncture.com, and I'd like to say thank you for listening. I describe a lot of how herbal medicine works in my book, Acupuncture and Chinese Herbal Medicine for Women's Health, Bridging the Gap Between Western and Eastern Medicine. Pick up a copy. I'm here to help you. Give me a call. Thank you very much.